What's up, everybody, and welcome back to episode 7 of I Really Can Cook. This is Ahmed, your everyday cook, and today for breakfast, it's early, it's 11:07. That's still breakfast time for me, but today we're gonna have teriyaki, sweet teriyaki turkey bacon burgers. Matter of fact, this is the stuff right there. Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce. And for the first time, I'm gonna be trying this bread. I don't know if you can see that. Artisano bread. Artisano. Sara Lee Artisano. Yeah, I don't know if I should toast them or not. They're nice and soft. Maybe I should toast them just a little bit, maybe. And, you know, I don't know if you can hear it back there, but I'll show you a close-up in a minute. But I've got my burger going. Got my turkey bacon going. My burger is under there. I didn't put any oil on it. I put this Land O'Lakes whipped salted butter, 45% less fat. Trying to eat a little healthy, but you know, I'm a big boy, so I got to get my grub on. And I just might go ahead and put an egg on top of that burger. Should I? I don't know. Gonna hit it with some Velveeta slices. Some people like Velveeta, some people don't. I do. So we're gonna go ahead and get this burger going, but like always, we had to wash our hands first. Now that the burger's been sitting out for a little while, you want to make sure it's room temperature. You don't want it too cold because it'll end up cooling down your skillet or your pan that you fry on. I'm using cast iron. As hot as that gets, you still want to make sure your meat is room temperature. And we're going to season it. First, I'm going to hit it with some peppercorn. Let's go. Oops. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Ground it up. Nice ground, fresh peppercorn, right? Then I'm gonna hit it with my favorite, just your regular run-of-the-mill Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning. Man, it's the good stuff. I mean, I put this on just about everything. And then my friend, such a sweetheart, she had a whole bunch of Dano's original seasoning, low sodium, because she worries about my health, because I'm always getting my grub on. And she just put some in her extra jar she had at home, but she hooked me up, right? So I appreciate that like you wouldn't believe. And I'm gonna try it on these burgers. Then you're gonna flip it over and we're gonna, well, rinse our hand off real quick. Don't want your pepper grinder all greasy, but we're gonna do the other side just the same. All right, put that fresh ground pepper, little bit of Italian seasoning on this side. And you gotta do the hand, man. You gotta do the hand, right? And then hit it with a little bit more Dano's. There we go, that's good enough. Make sure it's in there, nice and good. Yeah, buddy. Now we're gonna get to cooking. We're gonna get both burners going. Get that cast iron skillet nice and ready to start grilling. I do apologize for the fan noise, but as you can see, the burger's smoking kind of nicely. Oh, look at that. Look at that, got the bacon going. Oh, the bacon's almost done. Look at that, man. But yeah, I needed the fan to go just to keep the smoke out of here. Don't want to choke me and Penny with the smoke. But while I've got that going, pan's all nice and greasy. I mean, I wasn't thinking about doing an egg, but I think I'm going to. But first, let me go ahead and put this artisano bread on there just for a minute or two. Don't want it hard or anything because, like I said, the bread's already soft. It's my first time trying it, so hopefully it turns out good. I don't know. If you've had it before, let me know in the comments. But as always, at the end of the videos, I haven't been doing it lately, but this time, you're gonna have to watch me enjoy this burger. So what I'm gonna do, well, since there's already some butter down there, go ahead and lay down these 2 pieces of bread real quick. Let them sit for just about a minute. Matter of fact, I'll flip that bacon one more time. Yeah, that's just about ready. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's just about ready. I like my bacon extra crispy. Yeah, I know it's turkey bacon, not pork bacon like some people love, but I like my turkey bacon. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be done in a minute. And I like my meat cooked medium well, or even well done. I don't like my meat with red in it or pink in it. I don't know. Am I weird for that? Maybe. I don't know, but this is how I like to get my grub on. But gonna show you guys how I do my burger in just a second. Let me flip this one more time. Oh yeah, that's coming together nicely. Look at that. I'm gonna flip that bad boy one more time, but first let me turn the heat down a little bit because it's almost about done. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this bread off because it's about ready, I'd say. Oh yeah, that's toasted. Oh, that's toasted just right. I like that. Can you see that? I hope you can. There you go. Bread is toasted just right. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo on that. This bacon is just about ready. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring my bacon closer and I'm gonna slice it, right? And I'm gonna show you why. Slice my bacon. That's good to go. Turn off that back burner. Don't need that anymore. Turn that off. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my bacon and put it on the patty like this. A little crisscross. It don't matter, but I like to do the little crisscross, right? But here's the kicker. I'm gonna take my Velveeta cheese that some of you may or may not like. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it on top. That way the bacon can stick under there. I'm gonna take this egg. Can I do it? And I did it with my left hand. Nice. There we go. Got the egg going. Yeah, buddy. Now that I've got my turkey bacon burger with the egg on top all set up, now it's time to add the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki. Yes, not gonna put a whole lot on there, and I could have tried to marinate it first and then cook it into the burger, but nah, I think I like it like this. And I'm not gonna go with the green onions this time. And if you notice, no tapatio. I don't like my burgers spicy with hot sauce on them or something like that. I don't know. Is that weird? I don't know. But I do like my burgers with orange juice. And I've already poured myself a cup. If you don't believe me, there you go. My orange juice. Can't have a turkey bacon burger without orange juice. I mean, who eats burgers with orange juice besides me? I don't know, but I tell you one thing I do know, I really can cook. And you don't believe me? Watch this. Yeah, buddy, it's time to get my eat on. I know you guys are gonna watch me enjoy this. Got the microphone set to the side here. Well, you know what? Go ahead and put it on so you can hear me good. Okay, artisanal bread. Got my OJ. Got my napkin, not for my mouth, but for my sweat, because you know me, I'm always sweating up in here. But here we go. Let's see. Let's see what this burger's. Ah, look at that. Egg already coming off. Man, that Sweet Baby Ray's makes everything taste good. But let's see what this burger's talking about. It's just not fair. I mean, I know we all can do this. We can make a turkey burger, turkey bacon burger, put some Sweet Baby Ray's and egg on there, but Not everybody tries the artisanal bread. Not everybody uses the Dano seasoning or the Italian seasoning. The black peppercorn. Mayo. Velveeta cheese. And a sip of OJ. Come on, man. This is good eating. The bread, perfect size. Because you know, no matter what you do, I don't care if you put a divot inside your burger, when you cook it, it's gonna shrink. It is what it is. I've watched all the cooking channels, all the cooking pros say if you put a dent in your burger, it'll keep it from shrinking, but they did it live, tried it, and it actually shrank anyway. So shrunk, I don't know. Shrank anyway, so shrunk anyway. I can taste the Italian seasoning with the bite. That is so good. So good. Yeah, so you thought, yeah, he's just cooking a turkey bacon burger. Yeah, but have you thought about putting Italian seasoning on it? I bet you haven't. That is the good stuff. This bread is really good. It's soft, even though I toasted it a little bit, it's still soft. And it cooled down, but it still maintained its softness even after I toasted it. So that bread is an absolute win. I've cleaned my plate. The burgers are good. I've always had those burgers, turkey bacon. I always love that. That Sweet Baby Ray's, can't go wrong with that. I mean, that's the good stuff. Top it off with some Sunny D. Maybe next time I'll do it with some ginger ale or something. I don't know. Either way, it was good. I mean, I cleaned my plate. As always, I do my absolute best not to waste food. There are a lot of people in this world that don't have food, and I don't take having food for granted. I'm thankful for every meal that I get. So even if I mess up when I cook it, I'm still gonna eat it. I've burned chicken, had chicken dry as a bone. I still ate it. Cause I just love chicken that much, dry or not. And like I said, I don't waste food, so I ate it. But anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. I really hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and join me for my little cooking lessons, if you want to call it, or my experiments, and hopefully you follow along. I know a couple of my earlier videos were a little bit longer, but I'm trying to make them shorter and get straight to the point so you guys can follow along and cook along and eat along with me. And if you did, I definitely appreciate it. Hope you like my recipes, and I'll see you in episode 8. Ah, good stuff. And that was good. I mean, like, good. That was legit good. Good stuff.